Driver got us here, village food. This is like a village, and he got us here, and they make it on traditional wood fire, which is quite amazing. And these are the pots, and it's a buffet food, and it's roughly around 700 Sri Lankan rupees. Very tasty. Eat as I really like the lentils and all the vegetarian food. Really lovely on the roadside, clean, hygienic, and a very, very nice, lovely lady here. And she prepares the food. So if you are passing by, look out for this place. And this is just opposite this Line Villa. So you can find it that way. Okay, thank you. So folks, the lunch I just had is prepared on a traditional wood fire. And it was delicious food. Thank you very much. Very nice. This is like in India, we have our village, we make like this.